Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Avalara for insurance premium tax automation, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Avalara for insurance premium tax automation, start by logging into your Avalara account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings section from the main dashboard. In the settings menu, locate the integrations tab and click on it. Look for the option labeled insurance premium tax within the integrations section. Select the Insurance Premium Tax option to access the setup configuration. You will be prompted to enter your insurance company's details. Fill in the required fields with your company's name, address, and tax identification number. Next, select the states where your insurance policies are active. For each selected state, review the relevant tax regulations and requirements. After confirming your selections, proceed to configure your tax rates. Avalara provides automatic tax rate calculations based on the information you've entered. Ensure you enable the option to automatically calculate taxes at the point of sale. Once you've set up the tax rates, save your configuration settings. Proceed to the integration testing phase to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Run a test transaction using the settings you've just configured. Verify that the correct tax amounts are calculated during the test transaction. If discrepancies appear, revisit the tax settings and make the necessary adjustments. Once testing is complete and accurate, finalize the configuration by clicking Activate. Confirm your activation by reviewing the summary of your configuration settings. After activation, Avalara will handle insurance premium tax calculations seamlessly. Monitor transactions regularly to ensure ongoing compliance and accuracy. Should you require assistance, utilize Avalara's support resources for further guidance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.